Indian parents are increasingly opting for private education for their kids. With fewer good options for public education and rising aspiration for their children's future, private schools and colleges are often seen as the best choice, even though the fees are skyrocketing. But the parents we have spoken to are making some serious sacrifices. They're not just taking out loans, but also making personal compromises like delaying buying a new car, going on a vacation, or even thinking about buying a house, all just to make sure their kids can attend a good private school or college. The pressure to give their children a better future is forcing them to put down their own needs on hold. Hello and welcome to The Print. This is Fareeha Iftikhar, and in this video we will talk about the rising cost of education in India and how it is burning a hole in parents' pockets. Let's begin from school education. In April, Udit Bhandari, a Gurgaon-based entrepreneur, took to social media to share his frustration about the annual fee hike at his son's school. However, he never anticipated the massive response his post would receive. It struck a chord with thousands of parents across India who are dealing with the same issue, that is, rising cost of education. Many of them echoed his concern, highlighting how the increasing fees are becoming a growing burden for families trying to provide a quality education for their children. The fee structure in schools based in Gurugram, Hyderabad, Pune and Mumbai are eye-opening. You can see on your screen the graphic showing fee ranges from different schools across the country. For example, Scottish High International School in Gurugram charges rupees 3.9 lakh a year for nursery and lower kindergarten. By the time students reach classes 11th and 12th, the fee jumped to rupees 4.7 lakh, and that does not include the transport cost. At the Indus International School in Pune, the tuition fee ranges between rupees 3.3 lakh to 7 lakh, and for Delhi Public School in Saket, the tuition fee ranges between 2.9 lakh to 3.3 lakh. And remember, this does not include anything else, only the tuition fee. These numbers really highlight how expensive education has gotten at some schools. In fact, parents are saying that there are a lot of hidden charges popping up at schools across the country. For example, many schools require parents to buy uniform, books and even bags directly from them. On the top of that, they charge extra for things like parent orientation and even for introducing extracurricular activities, which come with additional fee. In recent years, the rising cost of good school education has led to businesses popping up to help parents manage the financial strain. Some fintech companies are now offering solutions like loans and no-cost EMI options, often in partnership with school, to make it easier for families to afford the fees. Parents' associations all across the country are calling for stricter rules to control the rising cost of education. However, school associations across the country assert that a 10% annual fee hike is necessary to meet the requirements like increase in teachers' salary, hikes in DAs, and hiring more permanent staff. Let us move to higher education now. As kids move on to higher education, the costs keep going up. The 75th round of the National Sample Survey released by the Ministry of Statistics in 2019 shows a huge gap in education expenses between government and private institutions. For example, the average cost of studying medicine in a government institution come across rupees 31,309 annually, but in a private one, it shoots up to rupees 1,11,154 annually. For engineering, the average cost is rupees 39,165 in government colleges compared to rupees 69,155 in private ones annually. Contrary to what NSS data suggests, private universities are charging even more. For example, an undergraduate degree at Ashoka University can cost around rupees 40 lakh. A BSc degree at Kriya University can go up to 40 lakh as well. And for a BTech degree from BITS Pilani, the fee ranges between rupees 22 lakh to 24 lakh. However, when it comes to fees, even government-run institutions like IITs and IIMs have seen their fees skyrocket. An undergraduate BTech degree at an IIT can cost up to rupees 8 lakh for general category students, And for an MBA degree from IIM, the fee can range from rupees 20 to 25 lakh for the 2-year course. But parents have limited choice because of the limited number of seats in government-funded universities, and therefore private institutions are increasingly becoming a popular option. Data shows that the number of private universities have increased from 276 in 2015-16 to 473 in 2021-22. In fact, some parents told ThePrint that they are choosing to send their kids to private colleges and universities after failing to get into a top public institutes. They believe that private universities these days offer better infrastructure and world-class facilities. They also believe that these private institutes will help their kids climb the success ladder faster than an average public institution. And to maintain the high cost, many parents are taking out loans from banks to fund their children's higher education. RBI data shows that the outstanding education loan balance reached rupees 1,29,000 crores as of September 2024. This marks a significant rise from rupees 64,000 crores in April-September 2022. Officials at various private universities have told ThePrint that the fee they are charging are valid because of the kind of exposure they are giving to students. Experts also point out that parents are really focused on giving their children quality education these days. And in case their kids can't get into the best public schools or colleges, they are either looking for options abroad or for well-known private institutions. Therefore, experts think that private sector may continue to expand, but whether it can remain sustainable and inclusive in the long run, it still remains uncertain. That's all from me today. Please keep watching ThePrint for more news updates.